I say video measure kwa with my so no charge your phone from any percentage I 100% within 1 second. So check my battery percentage now at that 57%. Trick we for emergency purpose only. If you want to baby only charger or phone low battery we expect it cost be we be 100% within a second. Now you be enable developer options settings settings no. Now fee ya cut down near about phones. BC are near about software information so. Now fee ya tap on builder number and build number 5 times. The information be say you are now in developer and as you've allowed developer mode. If you know I go back, now I share I see you developer options. Now I bought so. Okay, now if you see ya, no about a search near that's wrong. A search button near that developer options that's wrong. One search for a DOE. Patch or one share weird name. But search for demo. Anti demo na. Ti oba search for demo. Nti ma member demo. Na be demo mode. Na wa boso. Na yembo demo mode so. E BBC. Na tre baby a demo mode no. Na yenko bo so demo no. Yembo demo mode no. BBC. Now demo mode ni BC ya. Na ya allow demo mode no. Hana trick ni one. Okay, nti ma mentwe me battery percentage na msanhwe bi. And that 57. Much battery percentage ni. Nti now I allow show demo mode no. Also share battery no bi abeka ho. Na we entwene enhwe at 100%. Push for trick way for emergency purpose only. Demo mode no more for demonstrations. Na a useful extra reserve be. We work as a EBI da okay. Name any 100% and no credit. Name a use the last juices of your phone. Into make sure say obe use sa trick way ya. Your time I own here battery now be sa trick way. Me da mase.